All right, 7th class, today you are going to sit for the test of chapter 9. Already I have told you, right? So let us revise the same chapter again so that you feel confident when you sit for the test. All right, only raise your hand for the answer. Who invented Adobe Photoshop? Yes, Prerna, unmute yourself.
Thomas Noel.
Thomas Doll. Okay, very good. All right, next question is, name the graphics editing software that is used to edit or modify as well as create new images. Yes, Suhana, unmute yourself.
Adobe Photoshop.
Adobe Photoshop. What do we call the tiny squares that makes up the image? The tiny squares that makes up the image. Yes, Rishita.
Yes, sir. Pixels.
Pixels. Photoshop images are dash images. Photoshop images are dash images. Harshia.
Bitmap.
Bitmap images. What was the name of Photoshop first version? Yes, Puranje. Puranje, unmute yourself.
Sir, don't know.
What?
Sir, don't know.
You don't know the answer of this question. It is display program. Display program. Okay. Which is the latest release of Photoshop and in which year it was released? Yes, who will tell me? Which is the latest release of Photoshop and in which year it was released? Yes, Akriti, unmute yourself.
Sir, CS6 is the latest release of Photoshop and it is released in 2012.
2012. Okay. Fill up the missing blanks in order to start Photoshop. Click on dash button. Yes, Jasmine, complete up the sentences.
Click on Start button.
Okay.
Click on All Programs.
Okay.
Click on Adobe Photoshop CS6.
Right. Click on Start button. Click on All Programs. Click on Adobe Photoshop CS6. Okay. Now we have 8th question. Name the different types of color modes available in new dialog box. Different type of color modes which are available in the new dialog box in Adobe Photoshop. Yes, Prerna.
RGB, CMYK,
Yes.
bitmap, grayscale.
Bitmap, grayscale, RGB, CMYK. Very good. Okay. What is the full form of RGB? Yes, Suhana.
Red, green, blue.
Red, green, blue. Okay. What is the full form of CMYK? Harshia. Harshia, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Cyan, magenta, yellow, black.
Cyan, magenta, yellow, black. Okay. Name various components of new dialog box. Various components of new dialog box. Yes, Puraj.
Yes, sir. Name,
Okay,
width, height,
okay,
res- resolution, color
okay,
mode,
okay.
present.
Not present background content. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Name, width, height, resolution, color mode, background content. Okay. There are two more components, that is color profile and pixel aspect ratio, that you can also write. Name various components of Adobe Photoshop window. Yes, Bani, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Menu bar, options bar, default mode, document area, palettes, tools panel.
Yes, it is menu bar, it is options bar, it is default mode, then it is document area, there is palette, and there is palette pane and tools panel. Very right, very correct. Okay. Name any 5 menus of menu bar in Adobe Photoshop window. Yes, please. Bhavya, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. File, edit, image, select layer.
File, edit, image, select, and layer. These are the various menus of Photoshop. There are more menus also: 3D, layer, view, window, help. Okay, I am once again speaking all the menus: file, edit, image, layer, then type, select, filter, 3D, window, help, view. All these are different type of menus which are available in menu bar of Adobe Photoshop window. All right. Name the component of Photoshop window that displays the options associated with the tool selected. Yes, Bhavya, unmute yourself. Bhavya, roll number 9, unmute yourself.
Sir,
Yes, yes, please unmute.
sir, options bar.
Options bar, very right, very correct. All right, moving on to the 14th question. Name the default view of Adobe Photoshop interface. Name the default view of Adobe Photoshop interface. Yes, Jasmine.
Sir, essentials.
Essentials. Essentials is the default view of Adobe Photoshop interface. All right, 15th question. What do we call the large white area in Photoshop window? Yes, Suhana. Suhana, unmute yourself. Document area. Right. Name various types of selection tools in Photoshop. Now, listen the question carefully. What I am asking you, name various types of selection tools in Photoshop. Uh, okay. Yes, Harshia, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Marquee tool, move tool, lasso tool, crop tool, magic wand tool, or quick selection tool.
There are marquee tool, lasso tool, then you have quick selection tool, you have magic wand tool, and you have move tool. Okay. So these are the types or categories of selection tool. All right. Name various retouching and paint tools. Yes, Bhavya, unmute yourself. Paint and retouching tools.
Yes, sir. Healing brush, brush eraser, clone, fill, blur, dodge, burn, gradient, sponge tool, and stamp tool.
Yes, beta. The retouching and paint tools are brush tool. Then it is spot healing brush tool. Okay, then it is eraser tool, then clone tool, then you have fill tool, blur tool, dodge tool, burn tool, gradient tool, and sponge tool. All these come under the category of paint and retouching tools. All right. Name the view tools of Photoshop. View tools of Photoshop. Yes, Rishita. Rishita, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Hand and zoom.
Hand and zoom tool. Okay. Then Bhavesh, unmute yourself and you tell me text and drawing tools. Bhavesh, unmute yourself. Bhavesh, are you getting my voice? Unmute yourself, bete. I think he's not here. Okay, Mishti, roll number 30, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell me text and
Text tool, shape tool, pen tool.
text,
Text tool,
text tool, paint tool, then shape tool.
shape
Okay,
tool.
okay. Yes, please, just a minute. All right. 20th question. Name the floating window that are placed one after the other with different options. Yes, Kashish. Kashish, unmute yourself.
Platelets.
Beta, it is not platelets, it is pallets. Pallets, not platelets. In order to close or expand the palette, click on dash. Yes, Puranjay, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
21st
Sir, can you
question.
repeat the
21st
can you
question.
repeat the question?
21st question is on the screen. Read it. Twenty-first question is on the screen. In order to close or
Mm,
expand the palette, click on dash.
sir, click the double
Double
arrows.
arrows. Double arrows. Very good. Click on double arrows. Okay. 22nd question. Fill up the missing blanks in order to insert an image. Yes, Harjeet Kaur, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Click
Click
on
on,
File menu.
yes,
Click on Place option. The
yes,
Place dialog box appears.
yes,
Click the drop down arrow of Look in Toolbox.
yes.
Select the desired image. Click on Place button.
Very right. Repeat once again, Harjeet.
Click on File menu.
Okay,
Click on Place option. The
okay,
Place dialog box appears.
okay,
Click the drop down arrow of Look in Toolbox.
okay.
Select
Select
the
the desired
desired
image.
image.
Click on place button.
Click
Very right.
on Place button.
Very right. Very correct. All right. Write the command to save the Photoshop file. Write the command to save the Photoshop file. Okay, Bhavesh is here, I guess. Yes, Bhavesh, unmute yourself. Bhavesh, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 23rd question.
Click click on file. Click on file menu.
Okay.
Click on save as option.
Okay.
The save as option dialog box appears.
Type
Type the name of the file
and click on
and
save button.
type the name of the file name and click on the save button.
Click on the save button. Very right. Okay. Name 4 types of marquee tools. Name 4 types of marquee tools. Yes, Harshia, unmute yourself. Harshia, are you getting my voice? Unmute
Yes, sir.
yourself. Yes.
Rectangular marquee tool,
Okay.
elliptical marquee tool,
Okay.
single row marquee tool, and single column marquee
Very
tool.
right. Elliptical marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool, single row marquee tool, single column marquee tool. Very right, very correct. Name the tool that is used to, okay, name 3 type of lasso tools. Akriti, unmute yourself. Name 3 types of lasso tool.
Lasso tool, polygon lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool.
Lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool. Very right, very correct. Name the tool that is used to select an image or a part of image in proper shape. Yes, please. Bani, unmute yourself. In proper shape.
Sir, marquee tool.
Marquee tool. Okay. Name the tool that is used to select an image or part of image in an irregular shape. Yes, Harjeet, unmute yourself. Harjeet, unmute yourself. Harjeet, unmute. She is not able to unmute herself. Some technical problem might be there. Okay, Jasmine, you answer this question.
Sir, lasso tool.
Lasso tool. Very right, very correct.
Lasso tool.
Okay. Name the tool that is used to select an image having straight lines. Yes, Rishita.
Yes, sir, polygon lasso tool.
Polygonal lasso tool. Very good. Next question is name the tool. Name the type of lasso tool that is used to select the part of image along the outer boundaries of the image. Yes, Vishti, roll number 30, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir, magnetic lasso tool.
Magnetic lasso tool, okay. Then 30th question. Name the tool which is used to select the adjacent part of image which are in the same color. Yes, Bhavya, unmute yourself.
Sir, magic wand tool.
Magic wand tool, okay. Next question is, Kashish, you answer this question. 3 options of magic wand tool. 3 options of magic wand tool. Kashish, unmute yourself. Ashish, unmute yourself. All right, Suhana, you answer this question.
Contiguous.
Contiguous, other two.
Anti-alias tolerance.
Anti-alias and tolerance. Okay, so these are the three options of magic wand tool: anti-alias, tolerance, and contiguous. Okay. What do we call the selected part of image within your selection? What do we call the selected part of the image within your selection? Yes, who will answer this? Yes, please. Other students are not participating. Only the same hands are up. Why not others are participating? Pranav, you answer this question. Pranav, unmute yourself and answer this question.
Sir, don't know.
Why you don't know, bete? Be confident. You have attended the classes. It is cropping marquee, okay? It is cropping
Okay, sir.
marquee. The selected part within your selection is cropping marquee. Name the tool that is used to move or drag the selected part of image to a new location. Yes, Nishchay Joshi.
Move tool.
Move tool. Very good. Okay. Write the shortcut key of magic wand tool. Yes, Mishti, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Control plus W.
No, it is not control plus W. W.
It's only the
Okay. Shortcut key for crop tool. Shortcut key for crop tool. Yes, Bhavesh. Bhavesh.
Sir, C key from the keyboard.
C key from the keyboard. Yes. All right. If I want to copy the image, which key I have to press while dragging the selected part? If I want to copy an image, which key I have to press, okay, while dragging the selected part? Let me see who will answer. Yes, Badi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Alt key.
Alt key. Very right, very correct. Whenever we want to copy the image while dragging the selected part, we need to press the Alt key. Okay. All right. Name the tool used for quick selection of an image which require greater precision to reach. Yes, Suhana.
Quick selection tool.
Selection tool. Okay. Now I have a different question. Let me see who will answer it. But listen the question carefully. Name various categories of tools. I'm not asking name the examples of tools. I'm asking name different categories of tools. Yes, who will answer? Yes, Pranav, unmute yourself.
Sir, marquee tool, lasso tool.
No. I'm asking different categories of tools. मैंने ये नहीं कहा सिलेक्शन टूल के मार्की टूल. आई एम आस्किंग अ जनरल क्वेश्चन. टूल्स कितने टाइप के होते हैं? यस प्रेरणा, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
selection tools, paint and retouching tools, text and drawing tools,
बस.
view tools.
यस. selection tools, paint and retouching tools, then view tools, text and drawing tools, and other tools. In these 5 categories, your tools are divided. Your tools are divided into these categories: selection tools, then paint and retouching. Okay. Then you have view tools. Then you have text and drawing tools. And last, you have other tools. These are the main 5 categories of tools. Okay. Of tools, right? Got it? Okay. Now I have another question. In which year Thomas Knoll invented Adobe Photoshop first version? In which year Thomas Knoll invented Adobe Photoshop's first version? Yes, Bhavya. Bhavya, unmute
Sir,
yours.
2000. Sir, 2012.
Beta, first version. Yes, Bhavesh. Bhavesh, you tell me. Unmute yourself.
Sir, 19.
19. No. Yes, Suhana, you answer this question. Suhana.
1987.
1987. Very good. And it was having the name display program. Display program was the first version of Adobe Photoshop, which was invented by Thomas Knoll in the year 1987. Adobe Photoshop CS6 is the latest release that was founded in the year 2012. CS6 means Creative Suite. CS6 means Creative Suite 6. Okay. All right. Anybody can tell me what are the uses of Adobe Photoshop? What are the different uses of Adobe Photoshop? Yes, Prerna, unmute yourself.
User-friendly interface, retouching and transforming of photos are easily possible. You can open and save JPG G documents up to 65535 pixels in width or height in Photoshop CS6.
Okay.
Photoshop contains many 3D features in CS6. Photoshop
Okay.
CS6 supports high resolution.
Okay.
Displays as document can be viewed at 200%. We can add
Okay.
as many layers as we need. You can use the properties panel to quickly modify the layer component.
Okay. We can create graphics for the web-based applications. Okay. Then we can create the magazine covers, book covers, album brochures. Okay. So these all are the advantages of Photoshop. And Photoshop images are dash type of images. Photoshop images are dash type of images. Yes, Krishna, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, Photoshop images are bitmap images.
Bitmap images. Okay. And bitmap images consist of dash. Bitmap images consist of dash. Yes, Bhavya, unmute yourself.
Sir, pixels.
Pixels. Okay. Okay, anybody can define pixel? Definition of pixel. What do you mean by pixels? How can you define pixel? Yes, please. Yes, Pranav, unmute yourself.
Sir, pixels are small dots on display screen which makes up an image.
The tiny squares that makes up the image. The tiny squares that makes up the image. All right. Now you tell me different type of color modes. Different types of color modes. Yes, Harshia. Harshia, unmute yourself, बच्चे. Harshia. Okay. Akriti, you unmute yourself and tell me the full form of CMYK. Oh, sorry. Different type of color modes. Akriti, unmute.
Bit,
Yes.
bitmap mode,
Okay.
grayscale mode, RBC color,
RGB.
CMYK color, lab color,
RGB
RGB,
and CMYK.
RGB color,
Okay.
CMYK, and lab color.
So CMYK stands for Bhavya. Unmute yourself.
Cyan, magenta, yellow, and black.
Cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Okay, right. The selected part of image within your selection is known by which name? The selected part of your image within your selection is known by which name? Yes, Sachi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Cropping marquee.
Cropping marquee. Very right, very correct. Cropping marquee. Okay. Four types of marquee tools. Four types of marquee tool. Nishchay, you answer this question. Unmute yourself.
Rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row marquee tool, and single column marquee tool.
Very right, very correct. Rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row marquee tool, single column marquee tool. Very right, very correct. And who will answer the lasso tools? Arjun. Arjun, you are not in the class. Your speakers are off. Aditya, you unmute yourself and answer this question. Aditya Arora, unmute yourself. He is not in the class. Dhanvi, unmute yourself and answer the question. Dhanvi, roll number 12, unmute yourself. She is also not there in the class. Just names are visible and they are not attending the class. Yuvraj, are you there? Raise your thumb. Yuvraj Virmani, roll number 50. Raise your thumb if you are here. Okay. Rishita, you answer this question. Lasso tools.
Yes, sir. Lasso tool, polygon lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool.
Okay.